What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Make sure you guys are subscribed, staying locked in right here for the news and information all around the crypto space. We've got you covered right here. And of course, CCX has its own token as well, launched in October, performing pretty well considering all things that have happened here in this bear market. Many other things to come with CCX. So if you want to stay locked in with ClearCryptos and know where this DeFi company is heading next, make sure you follow CCX on Twitter. That link is down below in the description. Also, hop into the Discord. We'd love to have you over there. In this video, though, I want to talk about DOGECOIN, and DOGECOIN performing pretty well. It's up about 15% here today, and there are a few reasons why DOGECOIN is performing so well in the past week. A lot of it has to do with, you guessed right, Elon Musk. Let's jump into the actual chart here. Then we're going to talk about what Elon has said and perhaps what he plans to do with DOGECOIN. At least a lot of people believe this to be true in terms of the future of DOGECOIN potentially being used as a payment on a particular platform. So let's dive in here and talk more about Doge. And you can see here DOGECOIN trading at about 10 cents right now, a little bit above that, about 10.5 cents right now. You can see what it's done here in the last 7 days. It's really bounced nicely off of this support zone down here at the 7.5 cent mark, hit it about twice, and then it's just been nothing but upwards movement here in the last few days for Doge. You can see here, we actually had a big spike not too long ago, beginning of November, where we bounced up over 15 cents, if you remember that. And we came all the way back down. Again, here's that support zone, right? Just above 7 cents. Here it is again and again. And this is where the big time whales have been accumulating, right around 7.5 cents, a little bit lower than that, because they know some things most likely that are coming with Doge. So here's what's happened recently. If we go over to Elon Musk's Twitter page, of course, Elon recently took over Twitter. He said, here are his slides from his company talk recently, talking about new user signups hitting an all-time high, user active minutes also at an all-time high. But Twitter 2.0, the everything app, they really want to make these focal points to really grow Twitter and make it more of a everything social media app. So in doing that, they've looks like they have plans for advertising as entertainment. Elon has said that they want to do a lot more with video content, encrypted DMs, long form tweets, relaunch Blue Verified. And then you see here, there's a blank slide down here, payments, left blank. Now, a lot of people have taken this to mean maybe DOGECOIN enters the fray, because Elon has talked about finding a way to pay people for their content, for their great content. So perhaps the form of payment or an option for a form of payment could be DOGECOIN. I think he's going to do something with Doge when it comes to Twitter. What exactly that is, it's everybody's best guess right now. But DOGECOIN, all in all, throughout this bear market has went down a lot less than some of the other top cryptocurrencies. Say what you want about Doge, but it's not going anywhere. It's still ranked number 8 in the top 10, still a force to be reckoned with. Thank you all so much. Make sure you guys hit the like button down below and subscribe right here to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. We'll talk in the next video. See ya.